word clouds. Have you ever wanted to create a word cloud?
You know that's how I am.
Well, you're in the right place.
Yeah, brother.
I'm here hanging out with my daughter, Katie Bell. Katie Bell, can you say hi? Yeah. She's Elsa, and she's eating sprinkles. They're Pringles, but they're sprinkles. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to create a word cloud. I just did this quick one for our seminary class, but I'm like, you know what? If I'm going to do it, and I think it's useful, maybe you'll like it too. So this is the one I use, wordclouds.com. I'll put the link below the video. It's really super duper easy. And all you got to do is go up here, and I'll just refresh it so you can see from scratch. So you come in. The first thing you want to do is put in your words. So you go to your word list, and you can import it from a CSV or a spreadsheet. You can extract it from an Office document or web page or PDF, all kinds of fancy stuff. The one I usually use is extracting words from text. So let's do that. Then you find your source material. I'm actually using our new member Q&A. I wanted to do a quick word cloud of all the different things you guys are looking for. So if I come down here, I'm going to highlight all of your feedback so far. I will copy that, and I will go and paste it here. Right there, you can see I just copied and pasted very easily all of your feedback
That was
and comments
easy.
into this word cloud generator. I'm going to leave the defaults or ignore stop words, ignore word case. So I'll hit apply, and it will do its little magic, and it will automatically size the words by their frequency and repetition. Wow. Actually, there's different things you can do. You can see a lot of things. You can do lots of fancy stuff, but I'll keep it simple for you. So you can see file, and you can change your word cloud background. You can change it to all these different things if you want to. Let's use that one. That one's kind of fun. So now we have a prettier background, and that's under file. And I said word cloud background, right? So you can change this to whatever you want. I'm going to change it to this one. Ooh, I like that. Very cool. Then you can go over here to, you can change different things. You can repeat words if you want to get all the same words again and again and again. This will show all the words. I don't want to do that. I want to just consolidate them. And then you can go over to your shape.
Like a triangle shape.
And this is the shape of your word cloud. You can use icons. There's a lot of icons. You can do colored as well. You can do maps if you want to do a map of a certain country or the whole world. You can also use words. I like icons. You can do different ones. There's only defaults. Let's do a search for fire. Okay, we got some fire here. I like that one. And you can see it'll put all of your different words by size in the shape you give it. And it'll fill them all in, and you can adjust the font size and make them bigger or smaller. Ooh, I like that.
When did you get cool?
So you can see it's very easy to do. You can go in, that's the shape of the word cloud, right? You can also go into your fonts. Like, there's different fonts. You can have different fonts. It'll just randomly select those. Oh, Times New Roman. Let's go ahead and do a different font. I live in Georgia, so I'm going to do Georgia. Let's add another font. Let's go with something sillier. How about, wow, this has a whole lot of fonts. I didn't know it had this many. Ooh, Bilbo Baggins. Oh, I do like Bilbo. Like a Black Han Sans. Maybe it's related to Han Solo. Hit apply, and now it's going to randomize with your different fonts that you chose all the different words. What about colors? So you can see directions. Right now I have it random. You can do it in a certain direction if you want to. There's colors. You can choose your colors for the fonts. There's also themes. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. I want it to pop a little bit, so I don't think I like that theme. Let me make something that really pops. Okay, let's apply that one. And that will change all of your text to those colors of your theme and make your new word cloud. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to try one more. I'm going to make it, I want it to really be bright. Ooh, that's just black. That's not bright. That's boring. Let me try something more exciting. Let's try that one out. Apply. Ooh, that's purple. It's kind of different. Let me go with this one. So it changes your background, and ooh, I do like that. The black. You can also do gradient and mask color. I'm not too worried about those. There we go. So we can just create a new word cloud here with this fire shape. You can do text shadows. You can do all kinds of fancy stuff, spirals, circles, and so forth. And you can have it actually animate all of that if you want. You can see the shadow now. You can see some of the letters are popping more. So I've decided you can also have the wizard to walk you through all this. You don't have to watch my video. It'll actually walk you through the whole thing if you want to just follow the instructions. You don't have to watch my video, and that'll save you time. But that's all kind of options. When you're done, I do want to just change my shape one more time. Here, let's go with this nice rounded square. And you can see again, it'll change my color. I like that. So that works for me. It pops. I dig it. So when we're done, you can go to File and you can save it as an image. You can save it as a video. You can post it online. You can print it out. All kinds of fun stuff here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to save it as an image. This is standard definition. And we'll just call it word cloud. And I'll hit save. And it downloads it. And now I have this whole word cloud as a PNG. I can import or use my lesson or whatever else that you want to do it in. So it's great for survey feedback or whatever. Also, you can make it into a video. So let's save it as a video. We'll do 25 frames per second, and we'll call it word cloud, and let's hit save. And let's let it do its magic here and see what happens. And it's encoding the video for us, doing all this fancy technology stuff. Don't ask me how it works, it just does. And when it's done, we should be able to download a video. And again, these are just fun ways that you can take text and just make it a little bit more interesting or engaging. Whenever you put a word cloud up, it's like an automatic word find. People are going to be looking for all the different words. If it's a survey based on their feedback, they'll be looking for their words and trying to find what they said to you or what they submitted. So it's really a great thing. You can also take large scriptures. If you're studying a lesson or studying certain material, you can take all those scriptures and just copy them and paste them into the text field, and it will show you automatically any repeated words or any important words. So if you want to do that, it's another way to use word clouds is to point out repeated or common words or texts. So there's all kinds of ideas, and you can do your own thing. And I'm just stalling for time, waiting for this. There we go, for this to finish. So there we have a video. So now it's going to pop that out. I'll hit download. And it's going to save as an MP4. MP4 is a good format. You can use that in lots of things. So that's your guide to word clouds. I sure hope you enjoyed the video and the little GIFs and animations to make it more fun. And that epic music in the background. Music can really stir the soul. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below and let me know. Thanks so much. Hope this helps you to become a better teacher and to find more tools to engage your class. Thanks. Bye.